How does metal tempering impact ring resizing quality? Imagine trying to stretch a piece of plastic that's been hardened or cooled too quickly. That's similar to what happens with metals that have undergone tempering. Metal tempering is a heat process that changes how a metal behaves. It makes metals stronger or more flexible depending on the temperature and cooling method used. In jewelry, especially with rings, understanding this process helps us see why some rings are easier or harder to resize. Most rings are made from gold, silver, platinum, or stainless steel. These metals can be alloyed with other elements to boost their strength. When a metal is tempered, it's heated to a specific temperature and then cooled down. This process can increase its hardness or make it more flexible. For example, steel that is tempered becomes more resistant to scratches and wear. But this also means it can be more difficult to reshape or resize. If a ring is made from a metal that has been heavily tempered to increase its hardness, resizing can become tricky. Harder metals resist stretching or bending. Jewelers might need to use special tools or techniques like laser welding to resize these rings. Traditional methods like stretching or soldering could cause damage or cracks. So, knowing if a ring's metal has been tempered helps jewelers choose the right approach. In some cases, if a ring is made from a metal that is too hard, it might need to be annealed first. Annealing is a process that heats the metal to soften it, making resizing easier. This step is especially important for metals like stainless steel or hardened gold alloys. It prevents cracking or breaking during the resizing process. For rings that are made from metals with a high degree of tempering, the cost and time for resizing might increase. It could take longer because the jeweler needs to be careful not to damage the metal. Sometimes, laser resizing can be done in just a few minutes, but traditional methods might take an hour or more. The cost can range from $20 to $50 more, depending on the complexity. Understanding how metal tempering affects the properties of a ring helps jewelers plan their work better. It also helps customers know what to expect when resizing a ring made from tempered metals. If a ring is very hard or has been tempered to increase durability, it's best to consult a professional who knows the right techniques. This way, the resized ring will keep its shape and look beautiful without risking damage. In summary, metal tempering can make resizing more challenging because it changes the hardness and flexibility of the metal. Jewelers often need to use special tools or processes like laser welding or annealing to get the best results. Knowing the metal's tempering history helps ensure the process goes smoothly and the final ring remains strong and attractive.